Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you've just installed a brand new hot water heater and suddenly notice brown or rusty looking water, it can be surprising and even a bit alarming. You might immediately think something is wrong with the unit, but in most cases, this is actually a common situation right after installation. The discoloration is usually caused by sediment, residue, or rust particles inside the plumbing system that get stirred up when the new heater starts running. Since freshwater flow disturbs existing buildup in pipes, it can temporarily affect water clarity. The important thing is knowing that this is often fixable without replacing anything. By flushing the system properly and clearing out the residue, your water should return to normal. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix brown water coming from a new hot water heater step by step. Try these. Step 1. Run hot water from all faucets for several minutes. Step 2. Turn off the water heater and allow it to cool slightly. Step 3. Attach a hose to the drain valve at the bottom of the tank. Step 4. Open the valve and flush out sediment from the tank. Step 5. Close the valve and refill the heater with fresh water. Step 6. Turn the unit back on and check that water runs clear.